Hello and welcome back to Nikki Does for another one of my videos that you've already read the title, so you know what it's going to be about. I have a couple of things that I have to say that I'm very sad about, and the first is that, well, you know, I've had my crew for quite a long time, and I'm nervous and sad, if I'm to be honest, because apparently they have collectively decided to go. I think that was a roach that just ran, a mouse that just ran by on the wall right up there, and I can't wait to replay the video. So run the video back and look and see if you see a mouse running across on top of that brick wall in the background. I could swear I just saw that. So anyway, back to the video is, and now I'm smiling, and it really is a sad situation, and I shouldn't be smiling. But my crew has decided apparently to go interview with Mr. Beast because they've achieved such fame with the Nikki Does channel with our, and this is a milestone. We've reached 1,600 subscribers to this channel. So if you haven't yet added yourself to that list, I implore you to do that because I need the crew back and they need to go somewhere popular. So I know Mr. Beast has a few more subscribers than me, but I'm on the way catching up, I have to tell you. So that's the first sad thing that I have to say, and that leaves me all alone today to do this production. I know normally we have a very high production value channel, but today I am all alone, so you get what you get. The second thing that I have to be very sad about is that this device, which many of you will recognize as a power supply, it's a heavy and big, modern-ish product. So heavy, big, modern almost always means power-oriented. So this is in fact a universal switching power supply. And it is part of one of these products, I did get it right this time, back here, one of these instruments back here. And it was sent back to me by one of our customers in Germany for my day job work because it was completely dead. There was nothing, no lights, no nothing. He even was bold enough to open it up, which with our guidance, he was bold enough to open it up and take a look, plug it in, and see no lights inside. Even though it has a sticker on the back that says no serviceable parts inside. Well, that's always a lie because it's always damn serviceable. So in any case, the CE mark makes us put that on that, and that's a whole separate video that I probably won't get into. Very ranty video. Leave in the comments if you want me to start ranting, and I will make a video about the CE mark and NRTL markings and all those kinds of regulatory systems. So anyway, this power supply completely died, and in a third sad thing is in true Nikki Does fashion, I started to do the repair without running the camera. Sorry, but I did diagnose one dead fuse right here. There should be two fuses there, and I've already desoldered said dead fuse. There's a good one with a good fuse on it. So enough looking at this. Let's look at this with the close-up camera and through the magic of whatever this Go back and look and see if the mouse ran across up there. We do share our properties with all sorts of creatures. Thank you for watching, and I hope you join the next one.